Welcome to Block 7. In this video, we will explore a unique and inspiring home renovation project, Carmel Coast House, designed by DARchitecture, located in Israel. Originally a single-story house built in the early 1980s, it was surrounded by wild and dense vegetation. When DARchitecture took on this project, they immediately recognized the importance of integrating the home with its natural surroundings. The transformation of this house was dramatic. Almost the entire original structure was demolished, except for the main pillars and the concrete roof. All exterior facades and interior spaces were completely redesigned to create a more modern and functional home. The new layout divides the house into 3 levels. This system was designed to clearly separate public and private areas, while also making use of the moderately sloped terrain. The main entrance is located on the middle level, acting as a bridge between different parts of the house and serving as a gradual transition between public and private spaces. One of the key design elements is a longitudinal axis that runs from the front garden to the back, enhancing the sense of depth within the home. This axis is illuminated by large glass windows on both sides, allowing abundant natural light to flow through. The concrete roof, a remnant of the original structure, was once sloped due to the tiled roof above it. Now it is concealed by a painted tin windbox, giving the house a distinctive character and a contemporary appearance. Large window openings frame the surrounding gardens, seamlessly bringing nature into the living spaces. The selection of materials such as local natural stone, exposed concrete, and various types of wood harmonizes with the interior elements, which include furniture and objects collected from the dismantling of the old house in various markets around the world. Another remarkable feature of this house is the use of materials with deep history and significance. The entire exterior is clad in reclaimed bricks from a house that burned down in Belgium, which were then shipped to Israel for reuse in this project. Additionally, the architects drew inspiration from their travels to Africa, which influenced their decision to honor raw materials and simplicity as core design elements. The home's proximity to the beach and exposure to the salty ocean air also played a role in material selection, ensuring durability against the coastal environment. DARchitecture's signature design approach is evident in this project, characterized by contrasts, a mix of styles, and the dramatic interplay of light and shadow. The integration of nature into the home is also a key aspect, showcased through various design elements. A modern floor meets restored barn doors from the original house. A skylight above the kitchen floods the space with natural light. Wooden louvers in the bedroom filter sunlight, and a pergola with bamboo slats creates dynamic shadow patterns throughout the day. Carmel Coast House is a stunning example of how an old home can be revitalized through innovative design while respecting its original elements. By incorporating reclaimed materials, exploring different textures, and maintaining a strong connection with nature, this house achieves a warm, functional, and aesthetically pleasing living environment. Thank you for watching this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design inspiration on Block 7.